Assalamu alaikum, second year. We are doing chapter number 2 in Pakistan studies class. Today we will discuss the third part of the initial problems of Pakistan, and this is the accession of the princely states. At the time of partition, there were 562 princely states in India, and according to 3rd June plan, that right was given to the states that they have to decide about their future. But they have to keep two things in their mind: the wish of the people and their geographical location. So many states decided their future in time, but few were left with the problem. We will discuss about Hyderabad and Junagadh. Hyderabad was a large state and its ruler was Muslim. The majority of the population was Hindu, but the Nizam, who was the head of the state, he wanted to be the independent state for the Hyderabad. He asked Lord Mountbatten to give the dominion status to Hyderabad, but that was refused by the Viceroy. On 14th August 1948, Nizam Hyderabad put an application in United Nations for the help, but Indian troops entered in the state and took it over by force. In this map you can see Hyderabad state, which is here, and the Nizam, the ruler of Hyderabad, he demanded dominion status for the state. Junagadh was another state whose ruler wanted to be the part of Pakistan, and it was located at a distance of 480 km from the shore of Karachi. But that state was also taken by the Indian government by force. Again in the map, here you can see Junagadh, whose ruler wanted to be the part of Pakistan, but that was taken by force by the Indian troops. Now come to Kashmir. Kashmir is the biggest state of India according to area, and its population was about 4 million according to the census of 1941, in which 77% were the Muslims. The Kashmiri people were very happy to listen that India is going to be divided and Pakistan is formed. They wanted to be the part of Pakistan. But Maharaja Hari Singh was not in the favor of Pakistan. He wanted dominion status for his state. He asked Viceroy Lord Mountbatten to give the military support to Kashmir. The military of the Maharaja, they started to crush the desire of the Kashmiri people. At that moment, the brave people of NWFP, they came forward to help their Kashmiri brothers. The Indian army moved forward against the Kashmiris and the tribal forces of NWFP. At this time, to protect the Pakistan borders, the Pakistani army came forward. At this time, a war started between India and Pakistan on Kashmir. That war was stopped by the resolution of United Nations on 1st January 1949, as India put an application in United Nations for the security of Kashmir. At this time, the United Nations passed a resolution to solve the issue of Kashmir, and they said that this will be the right of the Kashmiris to decide their future, and it will be decided through referendum. But that referendum could not be held till today, just because of the negative attitude of India. Second year, in this map you can clearly see the states which have the problem. Hyderabad, there is Junagadh, and this one is Kashmir. So According to this map, you have come to know that these states have the problem of accession with Pakistan, but that was taken by force by the Indian forces. And thank you.